Steel is the backbone of modern industry, and steel mills are where this essential material is forged. Here are some fascinating facts about steel mills. Did you know that steel mills recycle millions of tons of scrap metal every year? This process not only reduces waste, but also conserves valuable natural resources. Steel mills operate at incredibly high temperatures. The furnaces can reach over 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, which is necessary to melt iron and turn it into steel. Some steel mills are so massive that they can cover over 1,000 acres of land, with some even having their own railways to transport raw materials and finished products. Automation and robotics play a significant role in modern steel mills, ensuring precision and safety while increasing production efficiency. So next time you see a building, bridge, or even a car, remember that steel mills were the beginning of it all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.